Okay, so we're going to start talking about using the mouse in Blender. When you start Blender, this is what you will see. I will discuss a little bit at a time for each blog post, but right now I'm going to start with the mouse because that's the easiest thing to start with. For instance, let's see, if you take your middle mouse button and you have a scroll or a wheel, if you wheel upwards, you zoom in. If you wheel downwards, you zoom out. Now, if you hold Control and you hold down the mouse wheel and you pull down, you zoom out, you pull in, you zoom in. Now, if you notice, when you zoom, it's a lot smoother than just using the mouse wheel. See, nice and smooth edges. Now when you use the mouse wheel, it's very jagged and zooms in and out in increments, it looks like. Another thing is you can press and hold down the mouse wheel by itself, and while still holding the mouse wheel, you move your mouse around, you will notice your view will move with you. This allows you to set up camera angles and to look in different parts of your model if it happens to be very detailed, or if you need to get into a spot that requires high detail. This allows you to easily access that. Now if you hold down Shift and you wheel up or down, this allows you to travel vertically, whether you're going upwards or downwards. Now if you notice, you're not rotating either. This is just the viewpoint that you start off with, and you're just going up and down. That's all you're doing. When you hold down the Control and you wheel up or down, you'll notice you're going along the horizontal axis. When you go up, you're going to the left. When you go down, you're going to the right. And again, you're not rotating, you're still in the same exact viewpoint that you start out with. When you hold Shift and you hold down the middle mouse button, this allows you to move your scene around while still looking at that through that viewpoint. You're not rotating at all, you're just moving your scene around. Now when you left click, you'll notice there's a nice little cursor that's following wherever you click. Pretty sure this is the middle viewpoint of the world, but you get to like put it wherever you want. Now if you press your right mouse button, doesn't seem like it does anything. But if you click on this thing, and this thing happens to be the camera, you'll notice it becomes an orangey yellow. That's because we have selected the camera. If you click on this little dot with these dotted circles around it, this is your lamp. This is basically your light source. Of course, as a default, you always get a light source, the camera, and then your object. And you'll notice you'll be able to like move it around once you've highlighted your object. And now I'll click back on the cube and notice I'm able to move it around and such. And that is all I'm going to show for this blog. Next time I will talk more about what you are actually seeing, such as these toolbars that are everywhere, and how we can simplify it so it's not so overwhelming and scary looking. Anyways, I'll see you next time.